We need to be taken out of our lives for a while and to be taken care of. Beautiful surroundings, beautiful nourishing food, and beautiful company. And it makes such a difference. And now we feel safe enough to open up and express who we truly are, and enjoy other people doing the same. And it just makes a very joyful, happy time. And sometimes this work can be quite challenging, but when you feel safe, you can do it. You can go through it. And it's just wonderful seeing people change and open up and shine. It's just a wonderful experience. We're social beings. You know, we need each other, and being together in a group like this, we get to be more, of that old saying of who we truly are. But that's what it is. And you can see it in other people shining through, and it's just beautiful. I would just urge you to find the courage, to go inside and find the courage to try it, to just try it, and allow yourself to experience the healing that you might never have thought was possible. But you have to sort of actually come, to be here, to show up, and just allow yourself to experience the most profound healing with a wonderful group of people. Because whatever group you're with, they will be wonderful. When everyone feels safe enough, our true selves come out, and that's truly beautiful. So find the courage and come.